2,000 per student every year.
Komachielo ni Migao mar somo okwayo duol machoko osuru e pacho kae KRA mondo mi oruchoko gowi mabende obandho mbalariany mag piny owacho. Jatend Migao mar somo Julius Migoso Gamba owacho ni okang' ma kamano biro kelo fungruok maduong' ne mbalariany go.
There is an issue with the Kenya Revenue Authority debt relief waivers agreement. The ministry and the Higher Education Loans Board and the universities during a meeting held on the 4th of June 2024, current financial year, to address this shortfall and the declining DOC, the Principal Secretary, the State Department for Higher Education and Research, and the Principal Secretary for the National Treasury would devise a solution for advising KRA to write off historical debts. This strategy aims to provide long-term financial relief to enable public universities to make the necessary financial plans to support operational needs.
Ogamba owacho ni mbalariany mag piny owacho serem chulo osuru madwarore saa mowinjore gino mabende osemiyo osuru go chokore nyaka bilion 85.
Many public universities have been unable to remit statutory deductions, resulting in the penalties, interest, and other costs amounting to 85 billion. The Ministry of Education has requested the National Treasury and Economic Planning to support in clearing these bills. To address this issue, public universities have presented all their pending bills along with supporting documents to the National Treasury Committee on Pending Bills. This matter is currently under consideration.